What is going on, everyone? This is Univ. So today I'm gonna show you an unboxing from China. This is the Eevee card display gift box. This is a semi-randomized special gift box containing unique rubber Pokemon themed card display cases, a corresponding character or rare Pokemon card, a jumbo booster pack from the new set in China, which is the 9 colors gathering. This is my first time opening up anything from the Chinese Pokemon market. I really like the art and the quality of this box. It's really fancy. I have not seen any like this in the English or the Japanese markets till date, so quite excited for this one. This product is in the simplified Chinese language from the mainland Chinese Pokemon. This product was released in around March. So the Eevee on this box is just adorable. I like the yellow theme supporting the Eevees, and as you can see, we have some of the Eevee cards and other Pokemon also. And I really can't read anything from the back, but I guess you guys have an idea of what's going to be inside the box. So it has a seal on both the top and bottom, which I'll be unboxing now. I bought this off eBay, so if you guys are interested, please go check out eBay and find yourself a reputable seller and order yourself some. I got mine delivered within 2 weeks. Also got a nice price. This is our 9 colors gathering pack, and it's not like any other booster pack I've seen before. It's really thick. So basically it has 25 cards inside, and I guess you're guaranteed a hit in this. Not too sure, I'll have to check up online. So this is our silicone card sleeve. We got quite lucky. We got the Eevee. This is one of the Pokemon that I wanted. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you're a new subscriber, you can go check out my other videos. Don't forget to hit the bell button and get notifications for new videos. Thank you guys for the love and support. It is greatly appreciated.